house is still. Now it's time to chill. Dinner is done. Now let's have some fun. Now I don't put any extra pressure about soaking my feet, but it is so many great benefits in doing this. Psychologically, you know you're being good to yourself. Emotionally, you feel good. It feels good to you. And then physically, your feet look better, so you look better. We're soaking with the Spabershop foot soak right here. Now, this foot soak, all natural herbs and oils. The main ingredient, okay, that deserves a standing ovation in this foot soak is the oregano, which this foot soak is highly concentrated and a wonderful smell of freshness. Soak about 10 to 20 minutes. So now we have the Spabershop foot scrub. This is one of our scents, which is the eucalyptic lemon, and I use this scent quite frequently. Last, we have the cooling gel for tired feet and hands. Oh my, it feels so great. So guys, let's get into it. Here's the lovely remote to my Comfortology pedicuring foot detailing bath. You guys, this was an excellent and great buy. You see this thing here? Right here where you see my feet are like little wheels, and it helps exfoliate the bottom of your feet. Okay? Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Hey guys, and make sure you have everything arm lengths away from you. Okay, because you don't want to keep getting up and out of the petty unit just to go get your products. All right, so here we go. I'm at the stage now where I'm exfoliating, and we're going to go a little bit fast, and let's go ahead and enjoy. Okay, while I do my feet, let me talk to you guys a little bit more about the Comfortology pedicuring unit that I have right here. See, this baby got me all through COVID. I would travel with this unit, and all my clients loved it. Also, it keeps and holds its temperature, and that remote that you saw, it sets the temperature. You can use that remote to control just about everything with this unit. It is a great buy, you guys. I purchased it from Amazon.com. Our skin is the largest organ on our body, and we should be taking care of it. So let's preserve our skin with good, great, all-natural products. Visit myspabershop.com.